In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a production management workspace using Monday.com. First things first, if you haven't already, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, we'll start crafting your production management environment. Let's focus our attention on the main dashboard once we've logged in. At first glance, it might look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, that's what we're here to tackle today. Now direct your attention to the plus icon or the plus symbol you might notice on the screen. Think of this as your gateway to the Template Center, one of the most powerful features Monday.com has to offer. Essentially, it transforms what could be a daunting blank workspace into a fully fledged, ready-to-use production system tailored for your needs. Now that you've clicked on the plus icon to get into the Template Center, you'll notice a handy search bar right at your fingertips. This is going to be your best friend as you sift through a multitude of options. Type in manufacturing to zero in on templates specifically designed for our needs today. Our goal is to find the order form template. This template is especially useful if your focus involves tracking and efficiently managing orders, a common necessity in manufacturing and production management. Go ahead and click on the order form template and you'll get a little preview. This is your chance to examine its structure, layout, and overall fit for your workflow requirements. It's always a good idea to ensure that this template aligns well with your existing processes. Once satisfied, simply click on Use Template to add it directly to your workspace, and watch as your blank canvas begins to turn into a well-structured management system. With the template in place, it's time for customization. Here's where you get creative. Tailor the template to fit your specific production processes. You can adjust fields to match your unique needs, add tasks to keep it all dynamic and personalized, and configure everything to support you and your team's efficiency. This level of personalization ensures that the tool works for you, allowing you to keep productivity humming along without missing a beat. And there you have it, a simple but powerful setup inside Monday.com for managing manufacturing and production tasks with ease. By leveraging these templates, you can efficiently organize tasks, track orders, and generally improve your team's overall productivity. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, why not hit that like button? And if you're interested in learning more through additional tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help out.